Hello, hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I've got 2 packages to share with you today. First is a small package I purchased. Get this out. Whoopsie. I purchased. Okay, I have my glasses on. Sorry about this. 2 black sticky stamping polishes because I am almost out of this. Except I have the 12 ml and these are the 15 ml. So I went up a size. The sticky stamping polishes, the opaque ones. Opaque sticky stamping polishes. This is the 15 mLs. I went up a size in the bottles. And then I bought some glitters. Tina gifted me the matte nonstick chrome resist. I did not have this. This is, wait a minute, did I have this? Wait a minute. I have this. She gifted me the nonstick matte gel. Okay, so she gifted me this. Let me see what she sent to me. I bought so she sent to me the blue glow in the dark purple. Oh, blue to purple, that's gonna be so pretty. Oh, wait a minute. I'm getting confused. I don't have a printout to know what I ordered, but flashy clear, because she always gifts you something, and I can't remember what did I order, what she sent to me. Here is the flashy clear holographic. I'm having trouble with my words. Flashy clear holographic glitter. Whoopsie. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is, oops. My tremors are getting to me. Look how beautiful this is. Can you see? That is so beautiful. Oopsie daisy. Let me move the matte top coat. That is beautiful. That is just beautiful. So let's go over here. This is the holographic red. Look how beautiful this is. Here is the pink. Ooh, that's splendid. Isn't that beautiful? The green. Ooh, yes, sir, Bob. George, can you see this? No, George isn't work. This is the purple. Oh, these are beautiful. And this one is the blue to purple glow in the dark, blue to purple pigment powder. So I think she gifted me this one and this one as well. These are beautiful. Beautiful. So let's plug the lamp in. So we can see this one in action. Let's unplug shut the lights off. Where is the plug? Where is the plug? Where is the plug? Let's shut some lights off so we can see. Sorry about this. We're going to flip this around in the lamp so I can get this powder to mix. Trying to get this bottle to mix up in the lamp so I can get the powder to mix up. And I know my overhead light is still on. Oh, but look at that. Look at this. I still have another box to open from SheModern. Whoopsie daisy. I am a proud ambassador for SheModern. And when you use my code, NailedIt67, and my discount reaches my portion, I get an incentive. Look how beautiful that is. I get a kickback. You can get 10% off. Oh, that's so pretty. You get 10% off your bill. You get 10% off your bill. That was so beautiful. God, that was beautiful. I'm going to have to play with that really soon. Here, keep that out. You get 10% off your bill. That means I get 5% towards my incentive. 5%. Whoopsie daisy, I'm stuck. 5% goes to SheModern, I guess. 5% goes toward my incentive that I earned. Whoopsie daisy. So, when I reach $100, I get to go shopping. Well, I just reached my $100. Thank you so very much. I cannot tell you how happy, how happy I am. I cannot begin to tell you how this little girl is so happy. I got to go shopping. I got to go shopping. I got to go shopping. I'm going to open all these up and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We have opaque sand, orchid, blue, jelly, black jelly, metallic purple, metallic tangy, metallic tangy. Yes, I did pick in this the color, which, well, it was on tight. Look at that pattern right there. It's so pretty. I got whoopsie daisy. Look at this, isn't that pretty? Ah. Oh. Look at this blue. Isn't that beautiful? Ugh. These are untight. Thank you so much for that. Ooh, look at this slime. Ooh, wait, buddy. I got it. Oh, they're untight. Thank you so much for that, SheModern. Oh, look at how beautiful this. Boop, 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 makes me think of Betty Boop. Makes me think of my mom. That was one of Mom's favorites, was Betty Boop. Look at this purple. Oh, I love purple. It's my favorite. This is a purple metallic. Oh, that is so luscious, so beautiful. So luscious, so beautiful, and purple metallic. These are all air dry. None of these are semi-gel. I didn't order them. My semi-gels are up here. Black semi-gel, which we could not see because they are semi-gels. These are paid for. These are off my. These are out of pocket. These are off my incentives that I earned. Thank you so much. I want to thank everybody that uses my code 96. NailedIt67. That's my code for SheModern. NailedIt67. Save yourself 10% off. When you use my code, I earn 5%. You save 10%, I earn 5%. Thank you. I couldn't thank you so much. I mean, I couldn't tell you how much it means to me that you think of me when you check out at SheModern.com. I couldn't tell you how much that means to me, because that means you're thinking of me each time you check out, and think of me when you buy a product. You think of me. I know I'm rambling, I'm sorry, but that means that each time you put an item into your cart, you're thinking of, just nailed it, you're thinking of Cherie. Do you know how much it means to me? That makes me want to cry. It really certainly does. You're thinking of me when you buy your products from SheModern. that really, truly touches my heart. That truly, truly, truly touches my heart, that you are thinking of me when you're buying your products from Tina. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. That it really, truly makes me want to cry. It really does. When you're buying your products from Tina, thank you. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Thank you so very much. Thank you for thinking of me too. Not just thinking of Tina and her marvelous products, but thank you for thinking of me and what I do and what I contribute to her channel and to her nail art. I'm trying not to babble, but thank you for thinking of me and what I contribute. Not just my channel and SheModern Saturday, but thank you for thinking of what I do. You know, thank you. I just truly, I'm sorry, I don't mean to babble, but thank you for thinking of me and what my channel's been contributing for 8, 9, 10 years. I just, thank you. Thank you. So on that note, please leave me a comment, some words of encouragement to keep my channel going for the next, I don't know, 8 more, 10, 9 more years. Thank you for being there with me. Keep me going for another 9, 10 years. I appreciate you so much. I love you guys, girls. I really, truly do. So I'm going to go before I start getting sappy. Thank you very much, guys and gals. Thank you for being here with me, showing your love and support. Thank you, SheModern, for Tina, for being the owner and the curator for all of this. I thank you all. I love you. Have a blessed day.